Consultative selling involves more than just developing a more sophisticated set of selling skills. It requires a mindset shift to diagnose a deeper understanding of your client's business and then negotiate with stakeholders in a collaborative approach to problem solving. These consulting conversations may sound straightforward in a book or a business school, but in reality, clients hold on to much of the power in these relationships. And although every buyer will express the desire for a win-win partnership, many account managers get trapped in unhealthy relationship dynamics where it becomes a servant and master, and it's difficult to push back and ask difficult questions. So the key element in this transformation is trust. But as the old saying goes, trust arrives on foot and leaves in a Ferrari. So in this workshop, we're going to take a systematic approach to building trust in a consulting relationship. We're going to start by identifying exactly where trust has been built or lost in your most valuable clients. And then we're going to examine proven ways to build trust and become that trusted advisor. And finally, we're going to form a plan and maintain trust by becoming their in-house consultant. And at the end of this trusted advisor session, you're going to walk away with consultative selling skills and a plan to become a trusted advisor for your most valuable clients.